My name is Ed Carpenter. I've been a professional arborist for 23 years. I'm president, owner, and lead instructor with North American Training Solutions. I have a passion for helping this industry. I like trees, I like people, but I love tree people. Today, we're going to talk about a very important subject called brush chipper safety. Safety is and should be the #1 priority of every tree care operation. From the initial job site setup to final disposal of materials, there's any number of variables to consider. One of the biggest considerations is your tree care equipment, no matter what type or brand of equipment you use. It's imperative that you and your crew transport, operate, and maintain your equipment appropriately. All federal, state, and local regulations must be followed, as well as the operator's manual specific to your machine. Brush chipper safety really starts with the operator's manual. These are critical to understanding the safe and correct use of the machine. Even if you have received training or otherwise developed competencies with chippers, the operator's manual details the unique features of your machine and characteristics on how to safely operate your machine. Following the proper instructions will improve the performance of the machine and ensure a safe and productive operator experience. Of course, instruction alone doesn't equate to safety. Anyone working with a brush chipper should be trained and attain equipment competency by a qualified professional. For more information, consult your operating manual. Thank you for taking the time to watch these videos. Remember, safety is everybody's responsibility, and there's no tree worth anybody's life.